Good morning, students. So far we are learning lesson 4, electric charge and electric current. But last class we have learned about denote the letter, formula and unit we have learned now. So now can you say what's the electric charge denote the letter? Electric charge denote the letter Q. Electric current denote the letter. Electric current denote the letter I. What is the formula for charge? Q equal to N. Here number of electrons we have to calculate. So what is the formula? N equal to Q divided by, what is Q? Q means charge. What is E? E means electron. What's the value? 1.6 into 10 power minus 90 E value. Now what is the formula for electric current? I equal to Q divided by T. So from here we can calculate Q. What's the value of Q? Q equal to I into T. So by using this formula, we can do the problem. By using this formula, example problem we did. No, by using this formula, from letter 7, second problem is given. After that I will derive this. Now just you learn, just to recall the formula. Q equal to I into T. What is I? I means electric current. What is T? Charge. Q charge. What is the unit of charge? Coulomb. Coulomb is the unit of charge. What is the unit of electric current? Ampere is the unit of electric current. What is the unit of time? Second is the unit of time. This everything we have learned already. After that, potential difference. What is the potential difference? Denote the letter V, capital V. So what's the formula for potential difference? Work done divided by charge. W means what? Work done. Q means charge. What is the unit of potential difference? Volt is the unit of potential difference. Volt. Volt is the unit of potential difference. What is the unit of work done? Joule is the unit of work done. What's the unit of electric charge? Coulomb is the unit of electric charge. Thus already we have learned. Suppose by using suppose they are given potential difference given, charge also given in the question. They asked to find work done. So how will you change this formula? W equal to V into T. So potential difference into charge, if we multiply means we will get work done. So the EMF means what? E. E equal to work done divided by charge. Potential difference means V equal to work done divided by charge. The next we learned about resistance. Resistance denote the letter R. What's the formula for resistance? V divided by I. V means what? Potential difference. I means electric current or resistance. What is the unit of potential difference? Volt is the unit of potential difference. What is the unit of electric current? Ampere is the unit of electric current. What is the unit of resistance? Ohm is the unit of resistance. Ohm. Otherwise the symbol of ohm is. So ohm is the unit of resistance. From this, suppose resistance is given, current given. We have to find a potential difference. What is the formula? V equal to I. Suppose from here I we want to calculate. So I equal to V by R. By using this formula we can change what we have to calculate. We can change by using this formula. Okay. Then unit you have to write. Almost I am thinking everyone know all the denote the letter, unit and formula. Okay. Now Rome letter I told Rome letter 7, the question number 2. By using this formula we can derive. See, first they are given. What is given in the question? First you have to write it given. This Rome letter 7, question number 2. What is given in the question? They are given the question. Time is given. First time given. Time denote the letter T equal to 2 hours given. Okay. Time is given for 2 hours. And the current I, electric current denote the letter I is given 2.5 ampere. What you have to find means charge you have to find. Charge denote the letter Q. Charge you have to find. So time is given, electric current is given. What is the formula for charge? You have to write the formula Q equal to I into T. Just you have to substitute the value. What is the value of I, electric current value? 2.5 into, what's the time? 2. So you will get 2.5 into 2, 5. What is the unit of charge? Coulomb is the unit of charge. So 5 coulomb, you will get the answer. This is Roman letter 7, question number 2. What is given in the question? First you have to write. The time is given and current is given. What you have to find out there? Charge you have to find out. Take your book and see that you should know. Read the question once. Time is given, current is given. You have to find out charge. So you know the formula for charge, Q equal to I into T. Another one formula also there, Q equal to NE. So just you have to see these two formulas are there. What is given in the question, like that you have to select the formula. So Q equal to I into T. Just you have to substitute the value and write the answer with the unit. So this much right means you will get 2. Okay. So this problem over. Then last class we have learned about two types of current we have to learn. Now what are the two types of current? Alternating current and direct current. What are the two types? Alternating current and direct current. Alternating current we can write as AC and direct current we can write as DC. Okay. What is the full form of AC? Alternating current. Thus DC means direct current. So last class we have learned about the graph we have learned. No. Alternating current, what is the graph? The current flows alternatively. So here the graph straight line, unidirectional current. We have learned about direct current is the unidirectional current, but here alternating current flows alternatively. Like that last class we have learned. Now what are the advantages of AC over DC? That we have to learn today. What are the advantages of AC over DC? Now voltage is there, no? We are using current, the voltage is there. The voltage varies using a device called transformer. What is that? Transformer. The voltage of AC varies. The voltage of AC varies by using a device called, what is that? Transformer. There are two types of transformers are there. One is the step-up transformer and another one is the step-down transformer. Detailing we can learn next lesson we can learn about transformer. Now you should know for what purpose we are using this transformer. What purpose? The voltage of AC varies by using the device called, what is that? Transformer. And step-up transformer, I told you, step-up transformer, the AC current takes a long distance. Now for that they are using step-up transformer. Okay. So the AC can easily converted to DC, and generation of AC is very easy than DC. So DC current cannot be transmitted, but AC current can be transmitted. Okay, these are the advantages of AC over DC. First, the voltage of AC so easily can find by using the device. What is the device called? Transformer. So there are two types of transformer, step-up transformer and step-down transformer. We are using a step-up transformer. The current AC current takes a long distance current. We are using the which one? Step-up transformer. Step-up transformer. Now we can easily convert AC to DC. Okay. Easily convert AC current to DC current. But DC current is cannot be transmitted to AC. DC to AC we cannot transmit, but AC to DC we can transmit. And the AC current we can generate easily when compared to DC. Okay, these are the advantage of AC current. Now we learned about two types of current. What are the two types of current? Alternating current and direct current. So alternating current we can say AC and direct current we can say DC. We have learned about the advantages also we have learned. Now this electricity is very useful in our life. That all of you know. But if we carefully handle means it's very useful for us. Now suppose carelessly we handle means it makes us danger. That all of you know this. So here some precautions are given how to handle electricity. If you carelessly handle means what happened. That some precaution is given. The 4 points is given. The safety device is given so that we can learn the 4 points. And this also for you detailed answer. Very very important question. What are the safety device given by using the electricity? Okay, we can learn that. First one is damage insulation. Look at this picture. Here the picture shows a bare wire. Do not touch the bare wire. If you want to touch means use a safety gloves, stand on a insulating stool or rubber slippers while handling electricity. So first point, damage insulation. Do not touch the bare wire. If you want to touch this bare wire means use what want to use? Safety gloves, stand on a insulating stool or rubber slippers while handling the electricity. If you want to touch the electricity, what you want to wear? Rubber slippers wear, and if you want to touch the bare wire. Look at this picture. Overload of power socket. Here one socket is there. They are connecting too many electrical devices. So do not connect too many electrical devices to a single electrical socket. See, second point, overload of power socket. Do not connect too many electrical devices to a single electrical socket. Third point, appropriate use of electrical appliances. Look at this picture. So each socket has different plug. So the TV point, one socket, and microwave oven, one socket, like that they are using. So always use the electrical appliances according to the power rating of the devices, like AC point, TV point, microwave oven point. So then fridge, washing machine, like that we can use different socket for different electrical devices. Look at this picture. The last fourth point is environment with moisture and dampness. With the moisture hand, the man is touching on a switch. So listen, keep the place where there is electricity out of moisture and wetness, as it will lead the leakage of electric current. If you touch like this in wet hand, what happens? Fifth point, beyond the reach of children. So the electric socket should not keep on the electric socket should not keep to reach the children. See, look at this picture. Children is touching the electric socket. So the children don't know the dangers of electricity. So the electrical sockets ought to be keep away from the reach of little children, but the children don't know the dangers of electricity. So these are the 5 points, the safety device to follow the handle of electricity. First point is damage insulation. The first point is damage insulation. So if we want to touch the bare wire means what we want to do? We should use a rubber slipper. Point, overload of power socket. So do not connect too many electrical devices in a single electric socket. Third point, always we use the electrical appliances according to the power rating of the device, like AC point, microwave oven. So we should use the single electrical appliances in a single socket. Fourth point, the environment with moisture and dampness should not keep the wet hand on the switch. The moisture or wetness of a hand should not keep on the switch. Why means the electricity will leak. Fifth point, beyond the reach of children. The electrical sockets are kept away from the reach of little children. So the children don't know the dangers of electricity. So these are the 5 points, the safety device. What are the safety features while handling the electricity? All of you take your book. Rome letter 6. Question number 8. List the safety features while handling the electricity. List the safety features while handling the electricity. Page number 48. Just mark it. Damage insulation. Do not touch the bare wire. Use safety gloves and stand on insulating stool or rubber slippers while handling electricity. Second point is overload of power socket. Do not connect too many electrical devices to a single electrical socket. Third point, inappropriate use of electrical appliances. Always use the electrical appliances according to the power rating of the device like AC point, TV point, microwaves point, etc. Fourth point, environment with moisture and dampness. Keep the place where there is electricity out of moisture and wetness, as it will lead to leakage of electric current. The last point is beyond the reach of children. The electrical sockets are to be kept always from the reach of little children who do not know the dangers of electricity. This is Rome letter 6, 8th question from here to here. Very important question. Learn them. Then Rome letter 1, choose the correct answer. First question, in current electricity, a positive charge refers to presence of protons. B. Second question, rubbing of comb with hair. The answer is transfer electric charge. B. Third question, electric field lines dash from positive charge and dash negative charge. C. Option C, start end. Then fourth one, potential near a charge is the measure of its dash to bring a positive charge at that point. That answer is D. What? Then fifth one, heating effect of current is called Joule heating. A. Then in an electrolyte, the current is due to the flow of C, both A and B, electrons and positive ions. The seventh one, electroplating is an example for chemical effect. B option. Then eighth one, resistance of wire depends on temperature, geometry, nature of material. D option, all the above. Then match the following: electric charge, coulomb; potential difference, volt; electric field, Newton per coulomb; then resistance, ohm; electric current, ampere. The Rome letter 3, question number 1. Electrically neutral means it is either zero or equal positive and negative charges. True. Second one, ammeter is connected in parallel in any electric circuit. False. False statement. Instead of parallel, you have to write series. S-E-R-I-S. Then third one, the anode is in electrolyte is negative is given. That's false statement. Just write instead of negative, positive. Then fourth one, current can produce magnetic field. True statement. Next, Rome letter 7, question number 3. So the question is given current 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 given. Then potential difference 1.6, 3.4, 6.7, 10.2, 13.2. Like that given in the question is given. So you have to find the resistance only. You have to find the value of resistance. You have to find it by using the graph. See x-axis and y-axis. Current is taken as x-axis and potential difference is taken as y-axis. So we can plot the value. Suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that given. Then here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 13, 14. Like that we can give. Now we can plot the value. First see 0.5, 1.6. So here 0.5 is here, 1.6. So plot there. 1. Next one, 3.4. 3.4. Yeah, you can plot there. 4. Next 1.5, 6.7. 10 point, then 2.5, 13 point, where we get it. Then we can plot the graph. I can join it. Then any 2 point slope you have to take. Suppose you can take like this, 2 points. Any 2 points we can take. Which point? Like this slope, 2 slope. We have to take this 2 slope. This we can take as V1, here V2. Here I1, I2. Now listen, V1, V2. Potential difference V1, V2. And here current I1 and I2. The formula is resistance formula R equal to V by I. This formula all of you know. V means potential difference, I means electric current. So here V1, V2 is there now. So instead of V we can write V2 minus V1 divided by I2 minus I1. So what's the value of V2? V2 value is 6.7. 6.7 minus V1 value 3.4. 3.4 divided by I2 value 1.5 minus 1.5. So just you have to separate this value 6.5, 3.4. So you get 1, 3.4. Here 5. So 3.5 divided by. So like that you will get to the resistance. That is 6.7. So you will get to 3 points. So what's the value? 1.1. The resistance. The unit of resistance is ohm. Like that you will get to the resistance value. So by giving that, you can take this 2, 4, 6, 8 also you can take. Like your wish you can take and draw the graph and select 2 points, take a slope V1, V2 and I1, I2 and calculate the value of ohm. Okay. This which question? Roman letter 7, third question. So this lesson, 4th lesson completed. And for you exam portion, lesson 3 and 4, learn well. And today's assignment, 8th question, Roman letter 6, question number 8, list the safety features while handling electricity. Assignment, already I have given assignment, just study and write assignment. And one word question, choose the correct answer. Then fill in the blanks, true or false, match the following everything. Learn well students. The next class we can do next lesson. Okay, thank you.